What is going on out there, peeps? Okay, man. I tell you what, woo, talk about a butt whipping. This the stock market dropped out. It was looking really bad, and as usual, starts to rebound. But what did I tell you guys? What did I tell you? Don't panic and start selling. You only incur a loss when you sell lower than what you bought for. All right, I'm gonna show you guys something here in just a second. Before I get into it, quick reminder everybody that we have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It is the same name as the YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description because we do talk about foreign currencies, gold, silver, as well as cryptocurrencies in this group. So come join us. The link, it's in the description. It is free. We also have the Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes, which is this group here, which touches a lot on current events as well as things that most people might consider a conspiracy, 9/11, false flag events, the whole 9 yards. That link is in the description as well. People keep asking me where to buy cryptocurrencies. There is a link in the description. Follow it, and it'll take you to where you can buy cryptocurrencies. Okay, I want to play a little video because it makes my point. I'm going to give you a warning ahead of time so you can clear out the kids because there are some curse words in there, a little bit of cursing. All right, but it's going to make my point. It's a funny song. I dig it. I'm going to share with y'all just part of it, though. Part of it. What do I tell you guys when the market drops? Even my son told me buy the dip. Ain't talking about what you put on potato chip. I buy the dip. Yeah, I buy the dip. I buy the dip. That's right. Buy the dip. This is how rich people get rich. What happens is when things start to go south, people buy on the dip. Smart investors know to buy on the dip. I'll explain what that means here in a minute. But last time we saw this, we were back up to 41%. Now it's feeling pretty good. Actually, I think we were up to 43%. I'm not sure. But let's see how much of a whoops we took because this morning it did not start off good. As a matter of fact, it started off really bad. Friday, we started to take a little bit of a butt whipping, started to rebound, and then we took a little bit more of a butt whipping. You can already see what's going on here in Dow Futures. It's already back up over 26,000. Everybody here is into green. We're starting to see things turn green again in cryptocurrencies. But like I told you, buy the dip. Buy on the dip is how you make your money because it always rebounds. So look at this. I'm just going to pull this out here just a little so you guys can come out. Now I'm going to show you. So look at over here, for those of you who are new, this column never changes. That's because this was the value of these particular, cryptocurrencies as well as stocks that we've been watching since April 21st. This was their original values when I told everybody to keep an eye on these ones because these ones would take off, and I explain why. Right now, this is the current values. As you can see, we seem to still be up considering. So we imaginarily said if we pump $10,000 into each one of these, spending $180,000, how much of a return will we get? It hasn't even been 2 months yet, but at one time we were up 43%, which is really good. But as you can see here, we are back up even after the market took a hit, and it was a good one. We saw it. We saw the stock market drop down 1,800 points. But then the Fed came out today, said what they're going to do some more, and that we were going to get some more quantitative easing. We're going to get some more stimulus money. And then it started to rebound late in the afternoon. So these are late recoveries, but nonetheless recoveries. You can see Discovery Metal, still one of my big ones. This one and Drexion. This one here is 31 cents. It's now 55.5 cents and climbing. Endeavor is $1.45. It's up to $1.95. Look at it. Alexco is still up around 207. We start off at 148. First Majestic, look at it, 753 when we first started, 914 now. Mag Silver, look at this, 1240. Silvercrest, $8.65, still above. MGM Resorts, I told you guys once the casinos start opening back up again, these back on April 21st, they were less than 0.5% of the yearly average, and I told you that they would go up. MGM is now up to $19.45 a share. It's down a little bit from where it was last time. The same with W&T Offshore Oil. When we were first back, we're talking about it was $1 a share. But just in all fairness, again, we start off from April 21st for all of these. So it is up to $2.82. Doesn't look like a lot, but you'll see what I'm talking about when we show you the difference. Win, still up there around $92. Good deal. XRP, man, not impressive when it comes. They have not performed or changed very much at all in several months. XLM though, XLM has been changing pretty good. Back was 5 cents when I first talked about it. Ethereum. Ethereum, well, they started to really drop and they got down to 228 and I got excited and bought a bunch more. So buy on the dip. Buy on the dip. That is the word. Look at this. It was 173 when I was talking about it back then. It is still up to 230 and it obviously looks like it's starting to rebound a little bit. Okay, USA precious metals up to 1884 from 1706. We see over here, we got, what is this? Dying 438. Are you starting to drop again? Oh, look at that. So, crypto, Bitcoin is dropped a little bit, but back in, we were talking about on April 21st, it was $6,880. We are still up in this game. Perth, one time was negative, seems to be wanting to go in the right direction, which is good. It's up to 1720. Drexion still kicking boo-boo. Look at that. 63.70 back on April 21st when I was talking about. It is now at 92.05. Las Vegas Sands, look at that, 49.06. That's where it is. Malco, another resort, is up to 1728. I think we were up around 43. I might be wrong on that one, but let's see where we are now. We are, boom, back to 31%. Look, okay, we're still at 56,000 ahead of the ball game in less than 2 months, but it's going to rebound. It started to rebound this afternoon. You can see that the markets are rebounding. Now, when I say buy on it, but still, look at Discovery Metals kicking butt, kicking Tukus, and Drexion still up there. Again, I'm anticipating them ones running. Did Drexion get passed by MGM? Look at that. I told you, MGM past Drexion. What? MGM took second place. Looking really good, people. Really, really good. Okay, like I told you, there is going to be rebound in the market. I'm just going to go ahead and save this so I can close it out real quick. But there's going to be a rebound in the market. It's going to happen. There's no ifs, ands about it. So when I say buy on a dip, what happens is whenever you see the bottom drop out on some of these investments, don't panic. Don't sell. This is the time you want to buy. So you buy when it's high, sell when it's high, buy when it's low. Just because you're taking a whoosh right now, don't sell. Don't panic. This is the time to buy actually more. So the market is down a little. You could buy these lower than probably what you invested in. So I would avoid XRP. That's not impressive to me. It has not been impressive for a long time. Since the price is not going to change, let's work with the ones that are actually playing. This was 5 cents back in April 21st. It is now 7 cents. Going down a little bit. This is a good buy. I told you why. If you have not, go watch my video on the A coin. Ethereum is one of the most active cryptos out there. Their platform has several projects that are getting ready to launch. As we know, BTC is crossing over into Ethereum, and I'm expecting that when that happens, as it fully happens, then we will see these values change. And this one will be the future Bitcoin with a lot of value. There are a lot of projects. Also, I showed you guys a video in which the Treasury is choosing Ethereum as their platform to be doing business on. This is good news. I also saw another article that said that XLM would be a platform for one other government agency. So it looks like XLM and Ethereum are starting to make their move, and I'm anticipating them passing up the pack. Well, right now you could buy XLM for 7 cents. That's right. So if you got like $20, just get $20 worth. That's several. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So if you had $20, it's discretionary funds, and you followed that link in the description where I said you can go buy cryptocurrencies. So if you have $20 right now and you divide it by the 0.710, you get approximately, is that right? That doesn't look right. Oh, I forgot to put the dot in there. Sorry, my bad. So you got $20, my bad, divided by 0.0710, because that's the current value. This gives you 281. There you go, 281 of those cryptocurrencies, all right? And if you keep pumping $20 in there, it starts to add up really quick for those of you who don't have a lot of money. But again, I don't want you guys hawking things or getting rid of things that are very important to you and mortgaging your house. When I'm saying discretionary funds is funds that you have that's a little bit extra after you pay off all of your bills. And for those of you, this lady showed me this. I loved it. She sent out her kids. She sent out her kids aluminum can hunting, and they did a whole back of a truck. So she got somewhere in the neighborhood of about, what is it, $278. That's a great idea. I told you I do the same thing with my kids as well. So what happens is you use that money, and then later on, that's all right. Send your kids out there later on. Once you start really making some good money on your cryptocurrencies, you can reward the kids back. Or actually, what I do is I include them in there, and I say, look, this is our monies, because it is technically our monies. So they could be involved with it. You could teach them about it. Say, look, you went out and bought aluminum cans. Look how many shares we got. As it goes up, you can show them when it goes up. This way they can learn. It's really fun for kids to get involved. You can educate them at a very young age. So that's just something as a suggestion. All right. So nonetheless, like these guys are saying, buy on the dip. Buy on the dip. I thought the song was funny when I heard it. And so I just thought I would share it because these guys are cryptocurrency, the coin bros. They buy cryptocurrencies. The whole song is buy on the dip. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. So now's the time. Because you're buying on the dip. Buy the dip. I'm loving it. Anyways, I'm going to give a link to this video for those of you who are interested, so you can go check it out. All right. And then, that's only fair that, if I use part of their stuff in my videos, I'm going to go ahead and give them a shout out, as well as leave a link in my description for you guys to go check them out. Anyways, you guys, don't panic. Don't panic ever. We buy on a dip. That's how you get rich. All right. All right. I'll catch you later.